just about to land at the Outer Hebrides. How damn cool is that? So that's it, Vattersay Beach on the Isle of Barra, proper camp cooking. So we're somewhere on the Isle of Harris now, heading to the campsite for the night, but then we just come around the corner and look at this, folks. Absolutely spectacular, this place. So from 3 ferries and hundreds of miles to get to a destination, which is our final night on Harris and the Islands. We're going back over to Ullapool on the mainland tomorrow before we do a night in Skye. That is what makes it worth it. No,